artist, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we're drawing Snoopy. Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello, little artist. Today my son Mateo is here with me. Mateo, wanna say hi?
Hello.
Mateo and I were gonna draw something really easy. I hope you like this lesson, and this is Snoopy. Today we're using crayons. These crayons are very oily. Yes, they're very fun to work with, but you can use any color pencil or crayon you had at home. That's totally okay. We're gonna start here in the middle of the paper, and the first thing we're gonna do is a little eye. So we're gonna do just kind of like a really thin oval shape. Okay. Next, we're gonna do the front of his face, and we're gonna leave a space after the eye. We're gonna go up a little, and from here, from the top, we're gonna do kind of like a oval or half of an oval shape, like down here. Good job. Now we're gonna do half a circle here on the front for the nose. Okay, I want to fill this with black, leaving a white space on the top part. Next, we're gonna do the top of the head, and we're gonna go kind of like up a little, and then we're gonna go around, coming down, and we're gonna go up again for the ear. So you go up a little, and then you come around and loop back on. Yeah, good job. Good job. Inside, we're gonna color this with black, and we're gonna just kind of like do a scribbles. That's part of the character. Okay, we're gonna scribble a little with our crayon.
I've been waiting for you to say that for years.
Scribble?
Yeah, just scribble on the paper.
Oh, we should just do that, eh? We're gonna do that probably. Okay, now we're gonna do the neck. So we're gonna do a curve on this side, and in this side from the corner, I'm also gonna do a curve. Okay, next here on the neck, we're gonna do an oval shape for his
color. Or his? As we said, for his color. Snoopy's just a white and black dog.
Yeah, but he's still super fun. I love this character.
When you were a kid?
Yeah, I still love it. Okay, now next we're gonna do the body. So for this part, we're gonna do a little curve, and then we're gonna curve out like this. Okay, so in and then out. Now let's do the front, and he has a little bit of a tummy. So we're gonna go down a little, and then we're gonna curve out. Now his body is a little smaller than the head and the feet. So now for the feet, we're gonna do a little bigger of a feet. So we're gonna do a line that goes down here. And then on this side, I'm gonna do a line that also goes down, okay? And now in the middle, kind of like closer to this line, I'm gonna do a third line here. Good job. Now I wanna join these two lines with a curve. So it's gonna start here. So I'm gonna go curve, goes back and curve. See how it goes? Curve and curve here. Okay.
Curve, 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 curve. Just curves.
Good job. And now we're gonna do a second curve from this point, and it's gonna go around these feet and connects. And we're gonna put 1, 2, and then in this one just 1.
Background music. Actually, I can't do that without covering my mouth. So, background music stops for a second. Yeah, I can.
Oh, you mean the two lines in the other one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Okay,
6.
perfect. Now we're gonna do the little hand that he has here. So we're gonna start here in the middle. We're gonna do a curve that goes down, and then it goes up, to start like that. And now we're gonna finish this up doing a curve that goes in a little from this point, so it goes in a little like that, and inside we're gonna put 1 and 2 lines. Okay, now let's do the tail, and for the tail we're gonna do kind of like an oval shape that goes out and comes back, and close to the body we're gonna color a little bit blue black. He has a little spot there. Good job. Now the last 2 details, he has a spot on his back, and we're gonna color here like this with black, and on the top we're gonna add an eyebrow with a little line.
Okay. And eyebrow.
Good job. And there, that's it, we finished. And this time, for the first time, we're not gonna color. This is that's it, we finished this picture. We hope you like this lesson and it was easy for you to follow. And remember, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time. Bye.